Hello, may I speak to Alice, please?
This is she. How's it going?
I've been trying to call you all day.
Sorry about that. I was cleaning up.
It's okay.
So, what were you calling me about?
Oh, I just wanted to see if you wanted to hang out tomorrow.
Sure. What did you want to do?
Maybe we can go see a movie or something.
That sounds like fun. Let's do it.
I'll see you tomorrow then.
See you then. Goodbye.
Hi, how are you? Is Alice there?
Speaking. What's up?
Why haven't you answered the phone?
My bad. I had chores to do.
That's all right.
What was the reason for your call?
I wanted to do something tomorrow with you.
Sounds good. What did you have in mind?
I was thinking about seeing a movie.
Okay, let's go see a movie.
Until then.
Talk to you later.
Is Alice available?
You're talking to her.
I've called you 100 times today.
I was busy doing something. I apologize.
No problem.
Did you need something?
Did you want to do something tomorrow?
Is there somewhere special you wanted to go?
How about a movie?
A movie sounds good.
Call me tomorrow then.
I will see you tomorrow.